Help is on the way. This specially modified fire truck is visiting schools, not to fight fires, but to fight tooth decay. A project of Paterson, New Jersey dentist Robert Grunstein.
When I started working in Paterson, I noticed there weren't a lot of dentists who wanted to treat low-income kids. And there was a huge amount of children that just didn't have access to care.
So 2 mornings a week, Dr. Grunstein takes his truck to the children. He provides free dental screenings as the school nurse records the results for each child.
He's got a chronic infection, the same way you'd have a swollen arm if you got some kind of injury that wasn't taken care of. Thanks, but when he closes his mouth, it's gone, so nobody sees it.
Multiple cavities and infections are all too common.
In this area of town, we have children that they immigrate from Mexico, South America, Eastern Europe, and dental care is not a priority, and it is expensive, and a lot of insurance plans do not cover dental.
46 million Americans have no health insurance at all. There is a government-financed plan for the poor known as Medicaid, but the majority of dentists and doctors refuse to accept it as payment. And those that do often only do so on a limited basis.
Doctors know that they're going to get less money for seeing Medicaid patients, and it could take much longer for them to get a reimbursement from Medicaid than they would from a private payer.
Most dentists shy away from taking underprivileged patients who rely on Medicaid. Dr. Grunstein has found a way to turn it into a thriving business and keep the kids smiling. His free screenings have helped build up his practice, which now consists of 8 dentists and over 18,000 patients. But how to make health care accessible to all Americans remains a hotly debated topic. Republicans oppose adding a public insurance option, which they argue will underpay doctors and hospitals, drive up the cost of private insurance, and not address the problem of access.
You can wind up with a system that on paper covers a lot of people, but when you actually need care and need to see a physician or a dentist, you can't get into the office to see them.
1, 2, 3.
One thing everyone can agree on, it's a system in need of rescue.
You're welcome. All right, make sure you guys brush your teeth, okay?
And it will take more than a dedicated dentist in a fire truck to do the job.
But when I finish,
Kristen Salumi, Al Jazeera, New Jersey.